Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies once again. Today we have this Toyota Camry, something newer. Let's take a look at the year. Toyota Camry SE. Make sure we're looking at the same vehicle. It's a 2016 2.5 liter, oxygen sensors, and 2 cats. Alright, so up top right here, you can see the back side of that O2 sensor. That is your pre-cat O2. Real simple. Your post-cat O2 sensor is actually under the car. Right there. Your Pcv valve is going to be at the end of that hose under the intake manifold, so you don't really get to see it, but I'll put a circle or a line on what hose to follow to get to it. The hose right here in the red circle and at the very tip of the arrow to the Pcv valve. Right up top right here you have right up top right here you have the Evap Canister Purge solenoid. Real simple and easy. Mass airflow sensor, real simple and easy. And then also you have a Evap canister above the rear subframe connector. Hopefully you can see that up in there. The Evap canister is at the end of this hose. And it's right here, you can see the side of it. Kind of hard to see, but it is up there. Up there should be the vent solenoid as well. So, hopefully this helps you out on your DIY fix, repair, or smog, however, whatever you need. And like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next helpful video. Thanks for watching.